Hey folks, how's everybody doing out there? I want to show y'all a new piece of cooking gear by Lodge Manufacturing. Folks, this piece of gear is made in America by the good folks down in South Pittsburg, Tennessee. Man, it's heavy. See if I pick it up. Oh, baby, you gotta help me lift this new piece of gear. Now folks, you've seen, before I do the reveal, you've seen on many occasions, this is the Lodge 6-quart double Dutch oven. Great piece of cooking gear. It's heavy. Now the lid serves as another pot, and it's got the grates in there. What have you? Hey, Grandma. And anyhow, it's a double Dutch oven, 2 cooking pots. You can't beat it. The Lodge 3.2 quart cast iron combo cooker is the best value for your money. But any of these products where you can use the lid as a second pot is a bonus. But I saw this on Lazada. I had to pull the trigger on it. Now this is a legitimate product from the Lodge flagship store. Let me see if I can lift it here. I gotta get these 26-inch pythons on it. Whoa, whoa, whoop. Right there, check that out. This is the Lodge, what is this, it's a 6.5 inch little skillet here. Get my face out of the way. Check that little bad boy out right there, folks. That is so cute. 1,000-something pesos. What did I pay for it here? I'm not even sure. I have to put it on the screen. You know, $20 skillet, what have you. But the reason I got this, it just caught my eye. I was like, that is so cute. We can just cook the fried eggs in these things. Probably could. I would mix it. I would put 2 in here, but crack an egg. The babies like to eat fried eggs for breakfast. And so this is quick and easy right here. And what I'm going to do is just go ahead and tear this out. Let's do the unboxing. Oh yeah, real easy, real easy. Okay, so no real residue in there. What do I do to season these things? Hey, I know it's backlit, all right? I don't have any fill light, and it's bright out here on the walls. All I do when I get a new piece of cast iron, I just heat it up, boil some water in it, and then go to work. Put a little oil in there. I don't spend all this time on seasoning and all this stuff, no. Just wash it off with water, boil some water, and put a little oil on it and go to work. That's all I do. Just fire it. I got to get this little sticker off here. But this one here might actually leave a little residue, but it's on the outside, so it's not that big of a deal. Okay, anyhow, I'll get that little sticker off. I'm going to cook the first egg in the Lodge 6.5 inch seasoned cast iron skillet. My goodness, life is good. Just fire it on high. Look at that, it fits perfect. Now one of the reasons the Filipinos will sort of gravitate towards using this aluminum pot here, which I'm going to get rid of, because it's light. Alright, and that's a factor. Cast iron is heavy. And so Grandma, this is what she's used to cooking with, and also is light. How do you deal with it? You just take this to the village, get rid of it, then they can't cook in that anymore. Filipino whack number 2 on station. For some reason, the inside of my slow cooker smells like stinky fish. I suspect these ladies right here. The cat will get that. What?
The cat, if I put the fish in there, you don't have lid, so the cat will, she will get. So I put that in there, the cat cannot get the lid.
Okay, can you clean it out where my slow cooker doesn't smell like stinky fish? Easy, baby. Easy on the merchandise.
Hi.
Boil water. It don't take it long at all. It'll heat up real quick. So all I'm gonna do is boil the water for a little bit. I'll season it with some olive oil. Why? Because that's what I want to do. What's the problem?
I cannot open it.
Get grandma on the JOB here. Folks, I can't do everything. I'm the cameraman. I'm behind the camera. Alright, give it to Big Daddy. Let Big Daddy get it, Grandma. Alright, here we go. Just put a little olive oil in there. My welding glove back on. Folks, if you don't have welding gloves, the reason these are so good when you're cooking is you can put them on with one hand. Look at that. And now, you can grip your cast iron without burning your hand. I'm just going to sit there and sizzle this olive oil. Mmm, that smells so good. But too much. But it's olive oil. See if we get a tune out of this trombone. Look at that. And the heat wasn't even on. It's like a heartbeat.
Flip that.
Flip it. Let's do it. Flip. Whoa. Whoa. Damn, the thing popped back up. Get out there. Ha. Look at this. Fried eggs. Look at that. Look at that. Man, that's how to fry an egg right there. Let's go ahead and plate it. 1, 2, 3. Whoop. Look at that. No cleanup. It's ready to go. Oh, lizard ran out from under there. No cleanup. Ready to go. I don't know if the camera caught that. It scared the hell out of me. There you go. There's your final product. Alright, so what do we want to put on this? Just a little bit of black pepper. Dip, 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 dip. Dip, 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 dip. A little bit of black pepper. Oh yeah. A little bit of salt. I don't know what a salt is. That's alright. We'll try it with just a little bit of black pepper. Cut that thing right there. Look at that. Look at that, look at that. Down the hatch. Mmm. Absolutely delicious. Put that on a sandwich. On a tortilla. A little ketchup. So anyhow, that's why I bought the little skillet. It's quick, it's easy, it's light. It's perfect to make eggs. The babies love eggs. I said, streamline the process where they don't have to wrestle the big pot up there. Delicious breakfast. You could also make little pancakes in there. Perfect. I'm a genius.